Hello everyone, and welcome to On-Frame channel and to Factory 56, where the future of automotive manufacturing meets the pinnacle of luxury. In this video, we take you behind the scenes of the production of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, one of the most sophisticated vehicles on the road today. Located in Sindelfingen, Germany, Factory 56 is not just a manufacturing plant, it's a technological marvel, built with a vision for sustainability, flexibility, and innovation. Join us as we explore every step of the S-Class production process, from the initial material preparation to the final assembly, and see how Mercedes-Benz is redefining luxury in the automotive world. One, overview of Factory 56. Factory 56 spans an area of 220,000 square meters, equivalent to 30 football fields. It is designed to be one of the most advanced automotive production plants in the world, with digitalization at its core. The factory operates with a high degree of automation, utilizing advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, to enhance efficiency and precision. Approximately 1,500 robots work alongside skilled workers, ensuring that every S-Class is built to the highest standards of quality. Sustainability initiatives. Factory 56 is also a model of sustainable manufacturing. The plant is designed to be CO2 neutral, using renewable energy sources such as solar panels installed on the roof, which can generate up to 5,000 megawatt-hours of electricity annually. Additionally, the facility employs an intelligent energy management system that monitors and optimizes energy consumption in real time. Water conservation is another priority, with 90% of the water used in production being recycled. Digital twin technology. A key feature of Factory 56 is the use of digital twin technology, which creates a virtual model of the entire production process. This digital twin allows engineers to simulate and optimize the production line before it is physically constructed, ensuring maximum efficiency and reducing the risk of errors. Material preparation, the foundation of the S-Class. The production of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz S-Class begins with the preparation of raw materials, particularly high-strength steel, aluminum, and composite materials. These materials are chosen for their strength, durability, and lightweight properties, essential for the vehicle's performance and safety. High-strength steel and aluminum. The chassis and body panels of the S-Class are primarily composed of high-strength steel and aluminum. The use of these materials ensures a balance between rigidity and weight reduction, contributing to the car's superior driving dynamics and fuel efficiency. Composite materials. Certain structural components, such as the dashboard and interior support elements, utilize composite materials. These materials offer high strength-to-weight ratios and are molded into precise shapes using advanced injection molding techniques. Press shop, shaping the body. The press shop at Factory 56 is where large sheets of steel and aluminum are transformed into the various body panels of the S-Class. This process involves the use of gigantic presses, each capable of exerting thousands of tons of force to stamp the metal into the required shapes. Stamping process. The stamping process is highly automated, with robotic arms feeding sheets of metal into the presses. The metal is then stamped into complex shapes, including the roof, doors, hood, and trunk. Each panel is crafted with exacting precision to ensure perfect fitment during the assembly process. Quality control. After stamping, each body panel undergoes a rigorous quality inspection. Advanced laser scanning technology is used to measure the dimensions of the panels, ensuring they meet the exacting standards required for the S-Class. Body shop, assembling the structure. In the body shop, the stamped panels are assembled to form the basic structure of the S-Class. This phase of production relies heavily on robotics and automation, with over 1,000 robots working in unison to weld, bond, and rivet the body together. Laser welding. Laser welding is employed to join the body panels with extreme precision. This method produces strong, clean welds with minimal heat distortion, ensuring the integrity of the vehicle's structure. Bonding and riveting. In areas where different materials, such as steel and aluminum, need to be joined, industrial adhesives and rivets are used. This multi-material construction method is crucial for achieving a lightweight yet strong body. Modular assembly. The S-Class is assembled using a modular approach, where key components, such as the front and rear subframes, are constructed separately before being integrated into the main body. This allows for greater flexibility and efficiency in the production process. Paint shop, perfecting the finish. Once the body is assembled, it is sent to the paint shop, where it receives its final finish. The paint shop at Factory 56 is a blend of automated precision and human craftsmanship, ensuring each S-Class is finished to perfection. Pre-paint treatment. The body undergoes a series of pre-treatment processes to prepare it for painting. This includes cleaning, degreasing, and the application of a phosphate coating to prevent corrosion. Painting process. The S-Class is available in a wide range of colors, each applied in multiple layers to achieve depth and richness. The painting process includes the application of a primer, base coat, and clear coat. Robotic sprayers apply the paint with incredible precision, ensuring a smooth, even finish. Inspection and polishing. After painting, the vehicle undergoes a detailed inspection. Any imperfections are carefully polished by skilled technicians to achieve a flawless finish. This stage is crucial, as the S-Class is known for its impeccable exterior appearance. Assembly line, bringing the S-Class to life. The assembly line is where the S-Class begins to take its final form. Here, all the major components, including the engine, transmission, interior features, and electronic systems, are installed. Engine and drivetrain installation. The heart of the S-Class is its engine, available in various configurations, including inline-6, V8, and hybrid variants. Each engine is assembled with precision and tested rigorously before being mated to the transmission. The engine and drivetrain are then installed into the vehicle with exacting care. Suspension and braking systems. The S-Class features advanced suspension and braking systems designed to deliver a smooth and responsive driving experience. These systems are installed on the assembly line, with each component carefully aligned and tested to ensure optimal performance. Interior assembly. Inside the S-Class, luxury and technology converge. The interior is assembled with the finest materials, including leather, wood, and metal trim. The dashboard is equipped with the latest MBUX Mercedes-Benz user experience system, featuring advanced infotainment and driver assistance technologies. Electronic systems calibration. The S-Class is packed with cutting-edge technology, including advanced driver assistance systems, climate control, and infotainment. Each system is calibrated and tested on the assembly line to ensure seamless integration and flawless operation. Final assembly and inspection, ensuring perfection. In the final assembly stage, the S-Class receives its finishing touches. This includes the installation of exterior trim, badges, and wheels. Once fully assembled, the vehicle undergoes a comprehensive inspection process. Exterior trim and final detailing. The final exterior elements, such as chrome accents, logos, and badges, are added by skilled technicians. These components are meticulously aligned and inspected to ensure they meet Mercedes-Benz exacting standards. Wheel alignment and balancing. The wheels are installed and precisely aligned using advanced alignment machines. This step is critical for the vehicle's handling and ride quality. Comprehensive inspection. Each S-Class undergoes a rigorous inspection process, including a road test and a detailed visual inspection. Every aspect of the vehicle, from the engine performance to the quality of the interior materials, is thoroughly checked. Only when the vehicle passes all inspections does it receive the final seal of approval. Sustainable manufacturing. Factory 56 Green Initiatives. Factory 56 is a model of sustainable manufacturing designed to minimize its environmental impact. Energy efficiency. The plant operates using renewable energy, including solar panels and an innovative energy management system. These initiatives help Factory 56 achieve CO2-neutral production. Water and waste management. Advanced water recycling systems are in place to minimize water consumption, particularly in the paint shop. Additionally, the factory focuses on material recycling, ensuring that scrap metal and other waste materials are reused or properly disposed of. Conclusion: the culmination of luxury and precision. The production of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz S-Class at Factory 56 is a testament to the brand's commitment to luxury, innovation, and sustainability. Every step of the process, from material preparation to final inspection, is executed with unparalleled precision and care. The result is a vehicle that embodies the pinnacle of automotive engineering, offering unmatched luxury, performance, and technology. The S-Class continues to set the standard for what a luxury sedan should be, and Factory 56 is at the heart of making that vision a reality. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.